Hello and welcome back to Payfog News, where we bring you the most updated news from around the world. I'm your host, MADIAS Aditya. In this segment, there will be delivering news about smelter furnace in the IMIP area. Good afternoon and thank you for joining us on Payfog News. I'm Madis Aditya and will have an exciting line of stories for you today. From local event to global affairs, we will cover its conference. Stay tuned, I will unwrap the news that shapes our world. Today we will bring you a news about smelter furnace fair in the IMIP area. Work accidents occurred again in the Indonesian industrial area Morowali Industrial Park, Morowali Regency, Central Sulawesi, on Friday, January 19, 2024 evening. A smelter furnace fire occurred in the area. This choice occurred less than a month after the smelter furnace explosion in the IMIP industrial area, which killed 21 people. Morowali Resource Police says Aditya Senior Commissioner Supriyanto confirmed that the smelter furnace fire on Friday night occurred in the IMIP area. He said there were no casualties in the incident, even though there were two employees who experienced shortage of breath. There were no victims. There were only two corn operator employees who were exposed to smoke and will survive short on breath. But they have been treated medically and there no problem in their condition, said Supriyanto. Supriyanto added that the police was still investigating the cause of the smelter furnace fire. Meanwhile, representative of PC IMIPs will ask for confirmation since Friday evening have not provided only information. Thank you for joining us today on Payfog News. Your time is valuable and will appreciate you causing us to stay informed. If you have any news tips on feedbacks, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, stay informed and have a fantastic day. This is Madis Aditya, signing out. And that's all for today's Payfog News. And again, I'm Madis Aditya delivering from where we have a great day and see you next time.